Hey learners, welcome back to my channel. So children, in this video, we are going to learn single sounds. Group 1. The first letter is letter S and the sound of letter S is S. Second letter A. The sound of letter A is A. Third letter is T and the sound of letter T is T. Next letter is letter I and the sound of letter I is E. Next letter is letter P and the sound of letter P is P. Next letter is letter N and the sound of letter N is N. Now let us practice some words with the sound of group 1. S to sat, A to at, E to sit, E to it, E to its, P E p pip, P E to pit, P A to pat, T A p tap, S A p sap, T E p tip, S E p sip, P E to spit, S P A to spat, N A p nap, N E p nip, N E to knit, P A n pan, P E n pin, T A n tan, T E n tin, T E n to dent, P E n spin, P A n to pant, S N A p snap, S N E p snip, S P A n span, A n an, E n in, A n to at. That's all from today's video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.